Hey guys! Today we will learn about how to change iPhone location in PC with Bluetooth mode. This mode supports you to play official Pogo and MHN. No ban, 100% safe. Let's start. Select the device to connect, and then select Bluetooth mode. Now turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. Kindly wait for a moment. After connecting successfully, you can now open your game and change location. Here we'll use Pogo and MHN games as examples. Search for the location you want to reach and jump to it. FonesGo also features a joystick function, allowing you to control the in-game character's movement based on the joystick direction. Additionally, there's a Pokémon search feature. Just click Go to instantly teleport near the Pokémon. Take another look at the MHN game. The controls are just as smooth and seamless. Thanks for watching. See you next time.